This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make authentic Mexican-style guacamole. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe avocados, 1 small white onion, and 1 or 2 serrano peppers for that perfect kick. Don't forget a handful of fresh cilantro, the juice from 1 lime, and a good pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Start by finely dicing your small white onion and the serrano peppers. Remember, you can adjust the amount of serrano to your preferred spice level. Next, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Then, carefully have your ripe avocados, remove the large pits, and scoop all that creamy green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. This step sets the stage for our delicious guacamole. It's time to bring everything together. Using a fork or a traditional malkajit, gently mash the avocado flesh to your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others smoother. Now, add your finely diced onion, the chopped serrano peppers, and the fresh cilantro to the mashed avocado. Squeeze in the juice from 1 fresh lime. This adds a crucial bright, tangy flavor and helps prevent browning. Mix it all well. Finally, let's perfect the seasoning. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to your guacamole. Give it a good stir and then taste it. This is your chance to adjust the salt, add more lime juice for extra tang, or even a bit more serrano if you like it spicier. Serve your freshly made Mexican-style guacamole immediately with warm tortilla chips or as a vibrant side dish. Enjoy this simple, delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.